This is a cool thing.
Háblame, hijito.
It is a Partybox 710. It's a Partybox 710. And we're gonna unbox it, guys. Just like we did that drone. Remember, guys? And we have this. Okay, I'm just kidding. And like green stick figure. Uh-oh. What's it gonna look like? Wow. Ooh! Wait, that's not a speaker.
What is it?
No, look, it's just a white thing there. See, it's just a white thing. That's a cardboard box. I could keep it.
It's heavy.
There's some stuff inside there. Wait, let me help you. Okay, that's something weird. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to open, right?
No, it's open. I just want to slide it out.
Oh, oh my gosh.
Not like.
I heard a barking sound. I don't know.
Let's see.
Okay. While Daddy's inside the box,
Huh?
let's just wait for a while until something happens, and then we're getting something inside. Yeah, let's get it inside out. It's a party over there. What? Go inside the house. Wow, that's a cool. Oh! It got beat up, the box. You want to go inside the box? Here, you're inside the box.
Sorry.
What is this? What is this thing? I can stand on this? Okay.
No. Bless you, bless you, bless you.
Okay. What did I just do? Okay, still unbox. What will it look like? What is that? What is that? Oh, another one of those junk things that I could stand on. Thank you very much, sir.